caught it in Aransas Pass again, so we're gonna give it a try. Top water, looks like top water's gonna be good. We got some dead shrimp, and we're gonna do some. Just check out. I'm sorry, I'm speechless. Look at that. Just to wake up every morning to that. Wow. Don't forget, guys, to share, like, and subscribe. Thank y'all. Here we go. It's a busy morning. Right here, all the boats commuting. So let's see if they're not in our way. We'll just say, excuse me, I'm coming through. All right, let's get on it. Enjoy the view, guys. Enjoy the view. Activity here. I haven't caught a red in a long time in hot water. I'm still learning. I'm not the biggest expert on catching the reds. I'll give it a try. So we came to the open flats and casted a dead shrimp. I'm trying to catch a black drum. And I caught some nice bait. Cut her up and cut her out there. She catches a nice red. This is awesome. We got bait. Alright, we'll go catch a red. Alright guys, we're gonna try something different. It's windy, so might as well. I've seen it before, but not in a kayak. I've seen it off of the bank, or off of the rocks, off of a pier. But we're gonna do a balloon with a hook, with some bait. Drift along. It's pretty windy, so I'm just gonna go drifting and see if something takes the balloon. It'll be fun. It looks like the balloon caught something, so let's take it out. Hopefully it's not a cat. It's a rat. There's something on there. It's tugging on it. It's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be maybe about 10-20 feet to the left. So it's moving it. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, it's a little cat. Grass. Yep. A little cat. I was hoping it was something else. Alright, we'll take care of him and we'll be back. Well, there's another pooper. Because he got scared. Releasing you guys. Don't worry. Off he goes. Alright, let's reset. I don't know if you can see it, but the balloon's being abused right now. It's bobbing and weaving everywhere. Looks like I caught something else. My guess is another catfish. If it would have been a red, it would have been taken off already, or a drum. So let's pull it out. Let's see what it is. Yep, it's another catfish. There you go, folks. Another catfish. Alright, let me take care of him. I'll be back. Alright, that was the first speckler. It's a tiny one, but that's what's biting. Caught him one. Well, we caught him one. Balloon out there still. Tiny one, but I didn't even leave them. About a 10 incher. Need a 17 nowadays to keep. Hopefully a red. So there's one. Gotta be another one.